up the next part where it was rutted. Was that where you were talking about?
Kind of back here, and then there's a couple like humps and stuff, but like after, dude, I just struggle in this shit, man.
Because of why? You say you struggle in it. Why?
I don't know. Like, well, to be like aggressive, almost like kind of like trying to like tiptoe through like the deeper ruts. I mean, a couple times through, it got better and better and better, you know.
Yeah. But is it because of the rut aspect that's making you
Probably
apprehensive or whatever?
I have trouble keeping the wheel tracking and not like being like a pinball.
Yeah.
You know, pinball. You know.
Okay. Gear selection is big too. Whether you're sometimes if you're too tall of a gear, yes, I run a taller gear. But if you're not carrying Mo into it to grab that taller gear, a lot of times it's there's no drive behind that front wheel to keep it driving either. So gear selection is big as well. Follow what I'm saying? Coupled with that thing as far as I said, looking up to the horsepower.
Keep steady dropping.
Yeah. It's different though, isn't it? Because you're having to look here and assess, okay, with this rut, there's what do I want my front tire, and be confident that that's going to go there and be already thinking 3 steps ahead. But the thing is, here what I find, a lot of times guys don't know how to counterbalance their bike. So, say I got roots and ruts here, right? There's a straight line this way. I've already assessed where I want my front tires, and I'm already looking 2 or 3 steps ahead and where I want my front tires. But the thing is, where I'm at balancing the bike in a sense of counterbalancing, if the bike gets bucked one way because it hits that root a little bit cockeye, I'm just going to let the bike go that way, but my body's going to go the opposite. I say that because what people tend to do is go with. The bike gets bucked, you go with.
You might not have the space to do that, but
Exactly. Well,
2 trees
space to do
either
what?
side of you. How are you going to counterbalance it when you've only got 2?
True. But that's where, and that's a great question. That's where, yes, you're just using the foot peg.
Yeah.
That foot peg pressure, back and forth. I like what you said that, because the place where we're going next is all about that. So you should have that dialed. No, because the tree aspect is a whole other variable.
I'll make it wider.
Yeah. A guy could come through with a chainsaw.
Handlebars.
But that's the thing, we got so many variables to throw at us, so we got to be ready for every little thing. And I always think of when you talk about tight trees, the guy always says, how do you go so fast between the trees without looking at them? Like, wait a minute. He finished the second sentence without looking at them. That's just it. Don't look at them. They're in your peripheral, and yeah, you can see that they're there in your peripheral, but you're not staring at them. If you look at it, you're going to hit it. And I always think that's another thing I'm big about is the edge of my handlebars. My palm is the outside edge of my handlebars. Steering and negotiating through trees, that's my counterbalance as far as my feeler gauge. Follow what I'm saying? If you were to take the handlebars and put my widest point in front of my hands, a lot of times it's going to throw off my steering. I'll end up meeting the tree before I want to, and it's going to deflect me. You follow what I'm saying? Not endurance steering, but a lot of times, not to pick on them, but the widest point is from the outside of the handlebar all the way out in front of your hand. A lot of times, when I'm going by a tree, I'm counter steering or around that tree. A lot of times, put a widest point up here, I end up catching it. Something I wanted to bring up because I could never run those handlebars because of that. I'm good with this. I mean, just other than talking about it, I'd like to go back and look at that little rutted situation back here. Is that cool? All right, let's